Take croton cuttings for propagation at any time during the growing season. Cut a stem of about 6-inch length that is pencil size, just below a leaf joint from a growing stem from a croton bush. The croton cutting should have at least 3 sets of leaves. Remove all the leaves at the bottom and cut all the top leaves into half. Fill a small pot with equal part of river sand and in potting mix. Water well and keep aside for an hour to drain out the excess water. Dip the cut end of the cutting in a rooting hormone to ensure rooting. This step is optional. Put 3-4 cuttings in the same pot, 1-2 may root without hormone. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting. Press the soil around it. Do not push. Cover the pot with polythene bag to retain moisture. Put the bag in shade in a warm place. Open bag after every 10 days and mist the soil if it begins to dry. Close the bag again. Croton cuttings take 4 to 6 weeks to grow new roots and new leaves. Remove the pot from the bag and place it in shade for another 5 to 6 weeks. Transplant the rooted croton cuttings in bigger pots. Keep the new croton plant in partly shaded place. Too much sunlight bleaches the colors of the leaves. Please like the video and follow this channel for new videos.